What if I told you that over 66% of entrepreneurs worldwide are now turning to AI to boost their online income? That's right. According to a recent survey, the majority of entrepreneurs are harnessing the power of AI to take their businesses to the next level. But what does this mean for you? In this video, I'll explore how AI is transforming online income streams like never before. I'll also share some of my own experiences and insights on how to leverage AI to make the most of your online business. So whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just getting started, stick around and let's dive in together. The first thing you should know is that AI is not going anywhere. In fact, it's only becoming more prevalent in our daily lives. As AI continues to evolve, it's important to stay ahead of the curve and embrace these changes rather than resisting them. When it comes to online income streams, the possibilities with AI are endless. From generating content to personalizing customer experiences, AI can help you in so many ways. It can automate repetitive tasks, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Let's start with affiliate marketing, which is a popular way to make money online. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on any sales you drive. Traditionally, affiliates have relied on keyword stuffing and backlinks to drive traffic to their websites. However, AI has changed the game when it comes to affiliate marketing. AI-powered tools can analyze vast amounts of data to identify profitable niches and predict market trends. They can also help affiliates optimize their websites and content to rank higher in search engine results pages, leading to more traffic and ultimately more commissions. Additionally, AI-powered chatbots can provide personalized recommendations to customers, increasing the likelihood of a sale. Content creation is another avenue for making money online. Whether you're a blogger, vlogger, or podcaster, creating valuable content can help you build an audience and generate income. But producing high-quality content consistently can be time-consuming. That's where AI can help. AI-powered tools can assist with content generation, such as suggesting topics or even writing articles. They can also help with content distribution by optimizing posts for social media and suggesting relevant influencers to reach out to. Moreover, AI-powered analytics can provide insights into audience preferences, helping creators tailor their content to their audience's interests. For those looking to monetize their passions, membership sites are an excellent option. Membership sites allow you to create a community of like-minded individuals who pay a recurring fee to access exclusive content or resources. However, building a membership site can be challenging, especially when it comes to creating engaging content and managing members. This is where AI can help. AI-powered tools can assist with content creation, providing suggestions based on member interests. They can also help with member management by automating communication and providing recommendations based on member behavior. Coaching and consulting are other popular ways to make money online. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can offer your services to clients who want to learn from you. However, finding clients and scheduling sessions can be challenging. This is where AI can help. AI-powered tools can help with client acquisition by identifying potential clients and scheduling sessions. They can also provide insights into client behavior and preferences, helping coaches and consultants tailor their services to meet their clients' needs. And finally, let's talk about e-commerce, which is a huge opportunity for making money online. Starting an e-commerce store allows you to sell products directly to customers, cutting out the middleman and increasing profit margins. However, building an e-commerce website and managing inventory can be daunting. Luckily, AI can help with every aspect of e-commerce. From product recommendations to supply chain management, AI-powered tools can help you optimize your website, personalize the customer experience, and ensure that products are always available when customers want to buy. Additionally, AI-powered chatbots can provide instant customer service, answering questions and resolving issues quickly. Now let's delve deeper into a few specific ways AI is being utilized across different income streams. AI-powered tools can analyze vast amounts of data to identify profitable niches and predict market trends, making it easier for affiliates to find products to promote. They can also help affiliates optimize their websites and content to rank higher in search engine results pages, leading to more traffic and ultimately more commissions. Content creators can leverage AI to generate ideas and write articles or scripts, saving time and producing high-quality content consistently. AI-powered analytics can also provide insights into audience preferences, helping creators tailor their content to their audience's interests. By understanding their audience better, content creators can produce more targeted and relevant content that resonates with their audience, leading to increased engagement and potentially more revenue. One of the biggest benefits of using AI for online income streams is the ability to personalize the customer experience. AI-powered tools can analyze customer data and behavior to provide personalized recommendations and experiences, leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. For example, AI-powered chatbots can provide instant customer service, answering questions and resolving issues quickly. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty, which can result in more repeat business and positive reviews. Another benefit of using AI for online income streams is increased efficiency. AI-powered tools can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for entrepreneurs to focus on other areas of their business. For example, AI-powered scheduling tools can automatically schedule social media posts, saving time and ensuring that content is always being published consistently. This can lead to increased reach and engagement, which can result in more traffic and ultimately more revenue. You may be wondering how much all this AI stuff costs. Well, the good news is that many AI-powered tools are actually free or low cost to use. For example, there are several free AI writing assistants available online. These tools can help with generating content ideas, writing articles or scripts, and optimizing content for SEO. There are also several low-cost AI-powered chatbots that can provide instant customer service, answer questions, and resolve issues quickly. These chatbots can be integrated into websites and social media platforms, making it easy to provide 24/7 support. But it's not just about saving money. Using AI for online income streams can also help entrepreneurs stand out from the competition. By using AI-powered tools to personalize the customer experience, increase efficiency, and provide innovative solutions, entrepreneurs can differentiate themselves from the crowd and attract more customers. So if you're looking for a way to boost your online income, it's time to embrace AI. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, content creator, coach, consultant, or e-commerce entrepreneur, AI-powered tools can help you streamline your operations, personalize the customer experience, and ultimately drive more revenue. And the best part is that many of these tools are free or low cost to use, making them accessible to entrepreneurs at all levels. So don't wait. Start exploring the world of AI and discover how it can help you take your online income to the next level. I've got another video coming up next week all about the top tools you can start using today to begin making money online. Make sure you check it out here. See you guys later. Peace.